Okay, I am gonna use my mirror to help me. So I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try working on a bike. That GROM right there. It's a 2023. I've never worked on bikes before. Worked on a car. Got my RX-8 over there. But I have bought some swing arm spools is what they're called. I had to look it up. And I need to install them because I need to do chain cleaning and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna figure out how to do that first of all. I have no idea what I'm doing. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. And hopefully I don't drop the bike. I guess the first thing I'm gonna try doing is making what it looks like in the picture. I'm just gonna unbox everything. These look like these are the part that go at the end. And mine's a 2023 model, so I have to use these spacers. I'm not really sure where they go though. That is the issue. To be honest, it looks really straightforward, and I really hope it is. Because it looks like it's literally just this. Realize I'm screwing into nothing. So doing the take it off. I don't know what I'm doing. Using my amazing deduction skills. Also, sorry for that last angle I just shot. Anyways, I figured out that I've been putting it in the wrong hole. But, so it goes right here, like that. But I gotta take off the silver part. It goes like that. Gotta take off the silver part, put this on. So let's find the tools, I guess. Alright, so what we have, back one is a 12, front one is a 10. So let's loosen up the front one first. Thing is, I'm not really sure if I'm messing anything up, so we'll find out. Put that right there. I hope if I don't do anything, because I think this is how the alignment for the back wheel goes, so I really hope if that is the case, I'm not messing anything up. Okay, that fits. But the only issue is, it says I need those washers. So I'm gonna try to figure that out real quick. So I tried looking on Google and the Amazon ad, I have no idea. So I'm just gonna see and try. So the best way that I think, the smaller washer goes in first because it kind of fits in this hole, and then I'm just gonna assume it's the bigger washer that sits outside because it kind of fits in there, and then so the bigger nut first and the smaller nut on top, and let's see if that will hold it, I guess. Like that's holding it, but I don't know. Let's see what it. So my storage just filled up, but I did end up getting one side in. So I'm just gonna do the other side and pretend like I knew exactly what I was doing the entire time. I'll show you what I did. Okay, so so this is the side that we're working on now. You gotta open this first. Let's loosen this. Maybe start with the 10 actually. It is stuck onto it. There you go. That should help us get this one off. this guy off. Wrong one. I'm really hoping I'm not messing up the alignment. Okay. I mean, I guess once it's on the rack, I should be able to fix it. So, this goes on this way. At least on the picture, it showed that the holes are on the top side to put the spool on. And then, so the way I did it is I put the smaller washer in first, and then the bigger one on top. And then, let's push this back on. Line this up, and then I will put 12 mil all the way. And then put the 10 mil. And it's as easy as that. Now let's tighten this guy up. Yeah. Give it a little bit more. Okay. Okay. And then this spool is gonna open this real quick. Spool goes on like so. Start it by hand, and then it's a 5 mil, I believe. Let's screw on more actually. And just get that on. Okay, now that's on. Both sides are on. That side is on. That's what it's supposed to look like. I'm not sure if it's functional yet. And this side is on as well. So I'm gonna try. I have the stand. I'm gonna give that a try. Hopefully it works. I mean, I'm gonna record it in case. Hopefully it doesn't fall. But it's my first time. Give it a go, I guess. So I have pretty much no idea what I'm doing, but based on what I've seen other people do, I think this needs to be straight. But if I do that, it's gonna... No, okay. So I believe the handlebars need to be straight, and then I take this guy. I don't know if that caught any of it, but I got it. It's working. It's on the stand. It's up in the air. I did it. Based on this very successful install, I have no idea if I messed anything up yet. But so far, it looks fine. I fear I have messed up my alignment, but that is a problem for maybe next time. Right now, it is on. I did what I wanted to do. It's staying. I'm gonna leave it on here for a minute and see if it stays. Seems sturdy. I don't know if I'm supposed to be able to do this, but I'm gonna push this back over there for now. And that's it for today. I did it. I'm gonna learn how to work on these things. And I also need to get that running, but that's later on. Actually, I'm pretty close, thankfully. But yeah, get this going. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps someone, because I couldn't find any videos online. I tried. I will see you guys in the next one.